Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the piece and prepping tools so you can act precisely. Score the sticker burr edge with a sharp craft knife at a low angle. This separates adhesive without digging into the base. Once the perimeter is loosened, use a plastic scraper to lift the trimmed edge while you keep tension on the sticker and work slowly from one corner to the next. Make sure to keep the blade shallow, check progress often, and stop if you see surface scratches so you can switch to sanding. Once the sticker edge is off, treat remaining burrs and adhesive with a solvent-safe remover or 70% isopropyl. Apply a small amount to a microfiber and blot, not soak. After the solvent softens residue, sand lightly. Start with 400 grit to level raised bits, then move to 800 grit to smooth fine scratches. Keep strokes gentle and circular, and wipe frequently to inspect progress. Make sure to test on a hidden area. If the finish reacts, stop and switch to a gentler polish or heat method. For the final finish, remove any haze by applying a suitable polish, plastic polish for plastics or a mild metal polish for metal, then buff with a microfiber until the sheen matches surrounding areas. If adhesive persists, you can use a low heat gun from several inches away to soften glue, then peel and clean. Make sure to move constantly to avoid warping. If a light scratch shows up, use a fine polish and a soft pad to blend it in. Troubleshooting tip: if damage appears, stop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.